The Jungle Band. These are the animals arriving one by one and getting ready for their rehearsal. They have their big jungle concert coming up and want to be prepared. As always, Ziggy the lion is first to arrive. He has taken his seat and is tuning his bass. There's a Chew. He just arrived and is going straight to his drums. Oh, careful, Chew. Don't rush. You almost knocked everything over. Lego and Choco are arriving together. And there's Splash, the crocodile. Late as always, because he comes from far, far away. All the animals are here. They're getting ready. Everybody ready? Let's go! A 1, 2, 3,